Reactive AI, powered by twin cameras. Reactive AI allows MaxV to recognize and avoid everyday objects and unknown obstacles. S6 MaxV is easily the smartest robot vac ever made by T3. 25% more suction and genius level mopping. Precision LiDAR navigation and Z-shape cleaning route, effective, detailed home mapping and comprehensive cleaning. Multi-floor mapping, save multiple maps, along with no-go zones for each level, all recognized automatically by the robot. Total control. Impeccable daily clean. The R300 robot vacuum lets you easily start clean, schedule and customize cleaning preferences with remote control. Auto adjust cleaning direction, auto increase suction power, maximizes increase.
Cleans up after you, and itself. Forget about vacuuming for months at a time with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal that allows the i7 Plus to empty itself for up to 60 days. Powerful performance and powerful pickup, pulls and stubborn dirt and messes with a premium 3-stage cleaning system and 10x the power lifting suction. Guided by Sirius Smarts with VSLAM navigation, the i7 Plus learns the layout of your home and builds personal smart maps, enabling it to expertly clean and navigate in neat, efficient rows. If it's running low on battery, it recharges and resumes cleaning. Vacuums messes in the moment.
Wi-Fi convenience. The UFi Home app, and Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant voice control services let you accomplish your vacuuming needs with zero effort from you. Worry-free cleaning. Set boundary strips and the robotic vacuum cleaner's slim 2.85 body width, upgraded to 1,500.
Alexa, ask RoboVac to start cleaning.